We tell parents that home support is the key to student success. Then we send home a curriculum map written by specialists for specialists. It's a gold mine of information, but for a busy parent, it can feel like a foreign language. So today we're building the academic bridge. I'm going to show you how to use NotebookLM to turn your departmental handbooks into clear, actionable study guides that actually help parents help their children without the Tuesday night tears. You see, the gap isn't a lack of will, it's a lack of vocabulary. When a parent sees terms like retrieval practice or scaffolded interleaving, they often feel locked out of the conversation. Our goal today isn't to simplify the curriculum, but to translate the methodology. We're making sure the support at home actually matches the teaching in the classroom. We're back in our walled garden of NotebookLM, and I've uploaded the St. Algorithm's Year 10 Science Handbook, which is 40 pages of curriculum maps, assessment objectives, and Dr. Pixel Bunsen's lesson sequences. It's a gold mine of information, but for a busy parent, it's a maze. By feeding it into this secure space, we ensure the AI stays grounded only in our facts. We're about to find the home learning signal through all that academic noise. Okay, so let's have a look at NotebookLM in action. Now, this isn't just about having a chatbot summarize a PDF. That's luck. We're after logic. We're going to exploit this academic bridge using 3 distinct layers of interrogation to turn the Science Handbook into a roadmap for parents. So first, what we're going to do, we're going to come over to this reports button, but we're going to adapt the prompt that we use. And I'm going to select here study guide and specifically click on this customize button. And what I'm going to do is just get rid of this prompt here, and I'm going to paste in my own prompt. Now, we aren't just clicking a button and hoping the best. What we've done here with our own prompt, we're steering the logic. I'm telling NotebookLM to focus specifically on the specialist speak and the lesson sequences from our handbook, but to do so through a parent-facing lens. Now, I'm not going to click generate. For those of you who have used NotebookLM before, you'll know it takes sometimes a few minutes to come up with the goods. So I'm going to close this, and I've already got one available, and it's just here. So, in fact, no, it's this one here. My apologies. So the plain English science curriculum, and it's here. So this is a parent jargon buster, and look what it's done. It didn't just search for keywords, it analyzed the entire architecture of the handbook with that specific audience in mind. For you as the teacher, this generates the high quality academic bridge you can copy straight into your next communication. It's accurate, it's grounded in your source, the handbook, and it's been specifically architected for your end user. So if you want to stop the PDF bloat, this is where you start. Layer 2 is where we systematically bridge the vocabulary gap. We know that terms like stoichiometric calculations can be a massive barrier at home, but instead of guessing what parents find confusing, we use the AI to proactively build a translation layer. So down in the chat box here, I'm going to put a prompt. There we go. And I'm instructing NotebookLM to audit a specific unit and extract a parent jargon buster. Now, I could press generate just here, but as we say, sometimes it can take a little bit of time to come up with the goods. So I'm going to come down to this one here. And this is showing me what I looked for a little earlier. And look at it, it's transformed a complex mathematical threshold concept into a clear, relatable explanation ready for our weekly update. It tells the parent, think of it like a recipe. If you want more cookies, you need to scale the ingredients. You do the work in the vault, NotebookLM, they get the clarity in their inbox. The parent gets the ultimate transparency, and your internal documentation stays entirely secure behind the school firewall. And finally, we move from text to audio with the commute-friendly curriculum. We know our parents are busy. They might not have time to read a newsletter, but they might have 10 minutes during their drive home. So we're going to pop over here to Audio Overview, and we're going to click on the Customize button, and we're going to steer those AI voices. What I'm going to do is put my prompt in here. And I'm asking them to speak directly to our parents about Dr. Bunsen's actual curriculum. And again, I'm not going to press generate. I've already done this earlier today, and I chose one for a deep dive. Another one was brief. And you can see this one here, the deep dive, and we've got this one here, this brief, and there's two different versions which you can share with your parents. And to share it, you've got these three little dots, and you can click on download, pop it in, I don't know, Google Drive, and you could share that link with your parents. It's two AI voices in this deep dive one, discussing the Science Handbook in a conversational, engaging way. As the architect, as I say, you share this audio file as a link, and you're meeting parents where they are. That could be in their cars, at the gym, or in the kitchen. And you're giving them a sophisticated, accessible briefing on their child's education. This isn't just a bridge, it's a total reimagining of home-school communication. The workflow for the academic bridge is simple. Step 1, the vault. Upload your departmental handbook. Step 2, the distillation. Use the study guide and the customized features of NotebookLM to distill that jargon into parent-facing insights. And step 3, the connection. Share the plain English version as text or as an audio overview with your parents. You aren't just handing over a document, you're handing over a role to your parents. A bridge is only as good as its structural integrity. As ever, we keep the human in the loop. So firstly, the expert audit. Think of the AI as your drafting clerk, but you are the head of department. Before any study guide or audio briefing goes out, you must audit it for scientific accuracy. AI is brilliant, but it doesn't have a teaching degree. You do. Secondly, data sanctity. This is crucial. Your vault is private. You share the generated results, the MP3 file or the text snippet, never the link to the vault itself. We keep the source data behind the school's firewalls. And thirdly, the pedagogical pulse. The AI handles the clarity and the translation, but you provide the pulse. You add the context, the encouragement, and the personal touch that a machine simply can't replicate. You use the tech to clear the desk, so you have more time for the person. Bridging the academic gap doesn't have to take hours of rewriting. It just takes a little bit of logic. I've got loads of other AI suggestions for you to use in school. Take a look at my website. The link is in the description below. I'm Stephen, the AI Theory Guy, and I'll see you in the next one.